Jazz, Rag, and Blues, Book 1, pages 10 and 11. The song is Old Rockin' Chair Blues. Let's take a listen to the piece, then we'll talk about the details. Okay, so this one's kind of a fun piece. You can even play it slower than I played it if you want. You can pull back the tempo to... That's fine, okay? And I wouldn't rush it anyway. The left-hand pattern we're going to be repeating in a bunch of different positions. So we start in C down here, C, G, A, G, and we are swinging it. So it's long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short. And then we move to F position. Back to C, back to F, to C, F. We're doing that a lot. We'll eventually jump to G, and then that's pretty much it. Then we're doing C to F, C to F, C to F. So left hand's pretty easy. I would recommend mastering that first. But I want to jump to a few measures. So look at measure 5. We're playing, it says 5, 1, 2, 1, 5 on the fingering. That's kind of important because we're reaching all the way down to this low G from this G. So if you can't reach an octave, try to hit and just stretch your hand. You have to jump and then keep your hand stretched and jump back in position. That's the following measure. It does do that again at 7, 8, the 9th measure. And does it do it anymore? It does jump to that lower G in measure 18 as well. And 21 and 25 and 27. So you're going to be hitting that G a bunch of times, so be careful for that. Couple other things. When we jump into the legato versus staccato. Legato, all legato, but then when you get into measures, let's just use 7, 8, 9 as an example. We're playing staccato here, those first two intervals. So there's a change up between playing staccato and legato, so be on guard to catch that. Then when we get down to measure 12, so the last measure of the first page, we're playing A flat here, and there's an A flat that appears again in that measure, so it's still flat. Don't mess that up. And now we're throwing in triplets, so triplet, staccato, here's another triplet. Watch out for your triplets, and remember how you count your triplets. If you got it at 80, just count triplet, 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 triplet. If you up-tempo it a little bit, like I did when I recorded it, make sure that you know what tempo your triplets are coming at. The very end of the piece, I want to jump to the bottom of the piece, measure 26. We're getting quieter here. We just played this interval, and then slowing down here. Fermatas, you can pull those out as long as you want them. So play around with that, and it's your own expressive license at that point. Okay, so that pretty much covers the details of the piece, so good luck with Old Rockin' Chair Blues.